विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो। सांताक्रूज पंचायतीन ग्रीन रोजरी हायस्कुलाच्या विद्यार्थ्यां सयत राज्यात नितळसाण उपक्रम राबयिल्लो। शाळेच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी व्हड संख्येन ह्या मोहिमेन वांटो घेतिल्लो। आरडी एक्सपो खातीर सांताक्रूजच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
My name is Dion
and we are from the Artisans Club by Our Lady of the Rosary High School.
But just tell us, what was the initiative today to do?
to clean the place and make sure like it's not like untidy, so like it's a better surrounding for everybody.
And this is the main road where all the buses, most of the buses move to our school. So here we saw that there's a lot of garbage, so we decided to clean it up.
My name is Vania D'Souza and I'm from Our Lady of the Rosary High School. I study in Standard 8th.
My name is Michael Pires and I study in Our Lady of the Rosary High School, Dana Paula.
Just tell us about it. What motivated you to do this whole thing?
It's basically it's a motive. We see, judge and we act. So we wanted to bring a change in the society and we thought of one such activities which can make the people aware, cleaning. And normally this is our route to school, so we could see a lot of garbage and we thought, why don't we clean this place?
Glad and happy to see this very good initiative taken up by our Sarpanch along with the students of Green Rosary School, and happy to see this particular stretch is being cleaned up by the students and the Panchayat labours. I thank our Sarpanch, Mr. Baba Lawrence, and I'm very happy to see this. Thank you.
I'm teacher Antoinette D'Souza. I teach in Our Lady of the Rosary High School, Dona Paul. It is our first activity under Artisans Club, which has been recently installed in our school. And as YCS students, since I'm in charge of YCS and Artisans Club in my school, we thought of starting something which we can do something and can be a part of that activity. All the time we teach about that, you know, government should do this, government should do that, the government system is not functioning. So every time when we talk about, we criticize, we make ourselves aware what is happening. But are we alert of what is happening? Can we act on it? So something when I joined in YCS, it was like our motto that you see, judge and you act. At the same time, I realized that under Artisans also it is our duty to be alert, to be aware and to take an action, so be an active citizens. So because of that we thought of taking this first step, wherein we took the help of the village panchayat. We first went to the village panchayat, we spoke to the sarpanch, and we got it was like a great motivation from the sarpanch of our own village, who said it was the best initiative which is taken, and if our students and if our schools are going to take up this responsibility, definitely there will be a small change in the society. It may not be a major change, but a small drop in the ocean will make a difference.
The school which has come to help you, how you feel about this?
Yeah, it's very great and I appreciate them very much because they come out of the way and requested me that they'll clean up the black spot which is they are traveling every day from the school bus. They fit it and I also same accept that, and I thank them with my heart that they have come with the teacher or supported us this good cause.
What are the top bottles, what you collected?
Only the plastics bags I told them to collect.
Experience.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, okay. My name is Stuti De. I am from Our Lady of Rosary High School, 8A. So we came here as active citizens to work for our country. Our motto is see, judge and act. So we wanted, it's not like we are only speaking or criticizing the government, we are also helping them to bring a change in India.
Namdev Naik, Panch of Santakruz Village Panchayat. म्हाका सांगूंक बरें दिसता की आमच्या सरपंचान हो बरो स्टेप घेतलो चतुर्थीच्या पयलींच क्लीन करया म्हणून, आनी आमकां हेल्प केलो ग्रीन रोजरी हायस्कुलाच्या टिचर्स आनी स्टुडंट्सान. आमी तांकां इतलें सांगलां की तुमी बॉटल्स आनी प्लास्टिकूच काडा, बस बाकीचें कितें पळय वेस्ट आहा तें आमचे लेबर ऑलरेडी काडटा. आनी हांव एकूच सांगूंक सोदतां, अशें तर ही जे स्टुडंट येयल्या कित्याक ते दाखोवपाक गांव कसो क्लीन दवरूंक जावो तो. सगळ्यांनी एका हात बोट लावंक जाय बेश्टे उलोवनूच जायना पेटिशन घालूंक जायना आपणेय मातसो हेल्प करूंक जाय सोल्युशन सांगूंक जाय कितें कशें करया आतां आमी सगळे एकठांय करतले आमकां जागो ना खंय धाडपाक आमी ते आतां थोडे वेर्ना धाडटा आनी जाता तशें मागीर ते कोणाकूय वेस्ट दिवची पडटा आमकां जे फॉर एग्जाम्पल पिगरीक जावं कोण हें करता मॅन्युअर करता तांकां दिवचें पडटा.
Today I am appreciating our Sarpanch of village panchayat, Lawrence Rodriguez Baba, and with the help of Panch members and also with Green Rosary High School from Donapal, we have started this garbage drive so that the students can send message to their parents and everyone in Goa. The way they are doing, they are taking plastics, paper and bottles only. Where there is much garbage, we are not sending them to there. Our garbage laborers are there who are going there. But students, Rosary students, they are only picking up bottles, papers and plastics. So I am very happy the initiative taken by the Rosary school students. And also I want to just highlight one of the activities from Santa Cruz. He is a waste management committee member. So far we have about 6 meetings of waste management meeting. No meeting he has attended attended at the panchayat level. But he files petition in the High Court condemning what is going.